All right, political reactions that continue to come in, but what is also gaining a lot of political controversy, let's focus when it comes to the state of Uttar Pradesh. PDA Pathshalas. Now, this is something new as far as the Samajwadi Party is now concerned. In response to the closure of several government schools across Uttar Pradesh, the Akhilesh Yadav-led Samajwadi Party has now launched PDA Pathshalas, community schools that aim at providing free education to unprivileged children. But the initiative, which began in Ramnagar and Saharanpur, that focuses not only on academic learning, but also instilling the party's core ideology. Now, in these schools, children who are now studying topics like A for Akhilesh, B for Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, C for Chaudhary Charan Singh, D for Dimple Yadav. Now, the Samajwadi Party, which has criticized the BJP government for merging schools, accusing it of depriving students of their education and infringing on their rights. Now, this PDA Pathshala is named after Samajwadi Party's outreach to Pichhda, Dalit and Alpsankhyak communities, and it is now being seen as a move to ensure that children do not have to travel long distances for education.
जिस तरह से उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने यहाँ पे कॉलेज स्कूल बंद करने का काम किया और हमारे नेता पीडीए के जननायक अखिलेश यादव जी ने आह्वान किया, जहाँ जहाँ सरकार स्कूल बंद करने का काम करेगी वहाँ हम पीडीए पाठशाला लगाकर पीडीए समाज के बच्चों को शिक्षा देने का काम करेंगे। जिस तरह से भाजपा सरकार ने पहले नौकरी पर हमला किया, फिर आरक्षण पे हमला किया, अभी नन्हे से पौधे जो बच्चे हमारे अभी इनकी शिक्षा पर हमला करने का काम कर रही है। लेकिन डॉक्टर बाबा साहब डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर ने जो हमें संविधान में शिक्षा का अधिकार दिया, हम उसको छीनने नहीं देंगे, हम उसको खत्म नहीं होने देंगे। समाजवादी पार्टी कार्यकर्ता और अखिलेश यादव चाहने वाले जहाँ स्कूल बंद होगा वहाँ पीडीए पाठशाला लगाकर स्कूल खोलने का काम करेंगे। और रही बात
पाठशाला में आप पढ़ रहे हैं जी, क्या कुछ यहाँ पर पढ़ाया जा रहा है? A4 से क्या आता है?
A4 अखिलेश यादव, B4 बाबा साहब, C4 चरण सिंह, D4 डिम्पल यादव, M4 मुलायम सिंह।
तो आप कब से शिक्षा ले रहे हैं यहाँ?
हम काफी दिन से ले रहे हैं शिक्षा।
Well, Adeep is connected with us. Adeep, good morning. You know, first tell us, as far as when it comes to the difference in these PDA Pathshalas, what is being taught to the students apart from the regular government schools? Because here seems to be providing free education with the political messaging that seems to be embedded in the lessons. Well, now this is coming at a time when you heard it coming from the students themselves, where children are now learning English alphabets that are now linked to party leaders and social icons as well. They have now been blaming the BJP government of shutting down government schools and also depriving poor children of education. But meanwhile, the BJP